Looks like it's
both waiting for the same tray.
The bird is bigger than the alligator. Well, he stopped.
It's a showdown.
Yeah.
We'll see who flinches first.
I don't know if the bird sees it there. Why doesn't the bird see it? Looks like the eyes are on the side of the head.
Maybe it doesn't.
Yeah, bird's flinching a little bit now. You videoing or you?
I lost the bat.
You lose a webbed foot.
Well,
he's feeling a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I think Gator's not.
Just walking. Luckily he's got long legs, right?
Well, he could have flew.
Yeah. No.
I think they know each other. They hang out here. She knows just how close Gator can come safely. And
He's walking around because it still wants to be on the wall.
Or it's all just
they
scenic.
do this all day long.
Yeah.
No, this is staged for us. Actually.
Right. It's scenic.
Yeah.
They're actually mechanical. Maybe he already ate. Probably hear people feed him anyway.
But the bird looks alert for something. Whether it's to
Well, he
find
probably
a
wants to
fish
poke his.
or-
Yeah, he wants to poke his head in the water to catch something. You have my case too.
That's funny.
I mean, honestly, like,
Well, that's
if you didn't know
interesting. If
Gator
you
was
want to
right
go
there
underwater
the
and get a
thing,
fish with an
did you know
alligator
there was a
nearby,
gator
that's
there?
probably your most vulnerable position, right?
I would think
I would
so.
I don't know.
think.
The alligators go after.
I think they just
I know they
poke
eat
in the
raw
water.
chicken.
Oh, there goes a fish.
Yeah, something's creating circles here.
We need your advice on what kind of
with the red head. How was sunset?
From its head,
Oh yeah.
but like if it's real crowded, then I'll just sit up front. You should.
Are you guys ready to board? Yeah. Well, I mean, we can wait a second if you want. Look at that. This is crazy.
Right. So they're not afraid of each other.
They're friends.
You're right. They must be friends.
It's
Look at
walking
that.
toward it.
You gotta back that up.
That's amazing.
That is just so unusual.
Now it's.
Well, it is a very cautious walk, so I guess the friendship is.
Yeah, you don't want to watch, but you want to watch.
The one side.
Yeah, right.
It's like a train set. Right?
Okay, you didn't.
I'm on my way.
Egret.
It's an egret, of course.